All right, what's going on, guys? So there's the Ferrari 488 GTB. So I was supposed to have a guy come in here and start taking this thing apart. I ended up doing most of it. He did the rear bumper and I've done the rest. I've taken off the front bumper, I've taken off the mirror, and I've taken off the door handle, and I've had to take off the door panel on the inside to get the mirror off. The door handle is actually super easy. I gave my buddy Tiago a second skin a call. He told me that there was a way to do it, which is super easy. So yes, so this side obviously still needs to be taken apart. I wanted to leave one side together, that way I know exactly how things go back together, so I can refer back to the other side and see exactly where things go. Even though I have a good memory, it's always important to either take a picture of where you're putting stuff back together or how you need to put stuff back together so that you can put it back together properly. This is not an inexpensive car. It's $400,000, so you know we want to make sure that every screw and every clip goes back the way it should be. So let me know what you think about the color so far. We're doing a gloss black accent, basically, or yellow and gloss black. This is 3M gloss yellow with Avery gloss black. Rivals, yeah. So, but yes, the hood is one piece. Sorry, the roof is one piece. Even though it is wider than 60 inches because of the pillars that run down, it's all one piece. All right, so I have to trim it out. I'm not doing it tonight. I'm just too tired. Had to work around the antenna. I didn't take that off. Not a big deal. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll show you the back. Check out those brakes. Those are some serious brakes. Carbon ceramic brakes. Insane. Each rotor is probably like $5,000. I don't even know. I'm just making that up, but that's probably my guess. Anyways, there's the rear bumper sitting on a pedestal. Front bumper over there on a pedestal. It's gonna be a fun one. There's the rear of the car. I don't know if anyone's seen a Ferrari look like this before, but so I didn't take apart the rear. That's the only thing I didn't do. I did everything else. There's the lovely engine bay. It needs a nice little shampoo. And yeah, that's it. So this area is going gloss black inside here. That's exactly how the picture is of the way the customer wants it. This little side skirt down here is going gloss black, and just a little bit on the back, nothing else really. So not much, but yes, it does look different. I think it's going to brighten it up a little bit for sure with the yellow. It won't just be another red Ferrari. It's going to be a little bit different. But yeah, let me know what you think, and if you like it. And if you do like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I've only done one video on this so far because I spent way more time taking it apart than I intended to. And well, I didn't intend to take any time to take it apart. So it really set me back about half a day taking this thing apart. At least I know how to do it now. I've never taken a Ferrari apart before in my life. It's just generally looking at the car very similar to how you look at other cars and knowing where to look for clips, bolts, screws, wires, that kind of stuff. And yeah, generally pretty straightforward. The door handle was actually the hardest, and it was the hardest to figure out, but it was the easiest to take off. So go figure, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it. If you guys want to see some videos on some of the difficulties we run into during the install, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you want to see the completed project, be sure to hit the subscribe button, don't forget. And that's pretty much it. I will post DIY videos on this, even though many of you might not have one. Still something cool to look at. Thanks for watching. Take care.